Did you know a kangaroo is the only large animal that hops? Today, I will be talking about kangaroos. Kangaroos has many characteristics. They have gray fur or red fur. They sleep to stay cool. They sleep a lot. Kangaroo has a diverse habitat. They live in the grasslands. Kangaroos live there because they are herbivores and the tall grass hides them. Additionally, kangaroos eat many different types of food. Kangaroo eats grass and flowers, but baby kangaroos eat grass only. Lastly, a kangaroo has unquiet adaptation. They have strong back legs. Kangaroos have pouches for their babies. The pouch is called marsupials. Next time if you hear about a kangaroo, remember a girl kangaroo is called a jingle and a boy kangaroo is called a jack.